Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to easily restore closed tabs in Chrome on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by double-clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Right-click anywhere in the tab bar. Locate the tab bar at the top of the Chrome window and simply right-click on any empty space within it. Step 3. Select Reopen Closed tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from the options provided, click on Reopen Closed tab. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a closed tab in Chrome on your PC. It's that easy. Remember, this handy feature can save you time and frustration when you accidentally close a tab you still need. Now you can seamlessly continue browsing without missing a beat. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content.